Looking for a delicious dessert recipe made with ingredients you probably have in your kitchen right now? These healthy, protein-packed vanilla donuts are to die for. They're perfectly moist and topped with a sweet raspberry glaze. Plus, they're sweetened with date sugar from Leafy Foods to make them even healthier. Let's get started. Liked what you saw? Leave us a comment down below and give this video a big thumbs up to let us know. And don't forget to become part of the Flourish fam by subscribing to our channel. Thanks for watching!